Hi, and welcome to another week of Finance Talk with myself, Sophia. This week, we're talking about 5 ways to market your investment and get your property sold. Each week, we like to bring you a finance talk that we give out on a Saturday based on our blogs that we share with you each Monday. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave them. If you need any assistance or help to build out your property portfolio, please reach out to us. I will share our contact details later. So let's get started. As a budding property investor, you would know that correctly advertising your investment property is the key to drawing in the potential buyers. Getting the market right is also about utilizing the market methods that has a proven track record. In this week's Savvy's blog, I'll walk you through some helpful strategies that you can implement to get your best outcome for your property to be sold. Professional assistance. The first step is use an estate agent. They will help you to show off your house that you invest into, aiding you to getting the best potential buyer. Having a portfolio of your works that you've previously done on your properties can also assist the buyer, allowing them to see that what you have accomplished as an investor. As a result, they may want to purchase your houses as well that you have renovated. You should also do your due diligence when it comes to choosing an estate agent to help market your property that you have for sale. By having the right estate agent to help you, it will make your house sell quicker and the process a lot easier, especially if they are knowledgeable about the property they are trying to sell for you. With your estate agent, you should also evaluate what is their average sale prices on their current books and in the current market, so that they price your property right for you based on that current valuation. To assess or access an experienced estate agent like ourselves, please visit our website, Savvy Estates, who we specialize in refurbishment, repossessions and commercial properties, buy-to-let and more. Please feel free to reach out to us or go into our Savvy Estates website to see how we can help you and what we offer. Word of mouth can spread easily, and it definitely does count. By networking with others in the area besides an estate agent, you will not only increase your interpersonal relationships, but you can also find a suitable buyer for your property. Word of mouth is very useful and will usually help market your business quickly and efficiently. Remember that whilst word of mouth is good, a few stark bad reviews can damage your reputation. So make sure that you avoid all of this and ensure that your standards of works are high and you're making your buyers aware of the true form and quality of your property. Get creative with your camera. We all have phone cameras, don't we? It might be a good trick to start using the power of social media to showcase your properties, but it can also prove to be a lucrative way of creating an online community. Taking pictures of your property you've renovated and posting them on various social media platforms like Facebook Marketplace, Twitter, Instagram, or even your blogs can really solidify a buyer's perspective of what you do. This could lead to sales in time. Social media is another way of word of mouth outlet source as well. This way can potentially sell your property even faster, especially if you need the money to fund a new investment or the buyers are wanting to move in as soon as possible. The more exposure you have, the better for your investment, and more likely it will get sold quick. Think who your target audience is and gear your pictures towards them. So if you're looking at families or professionals, make sure your pictures are dressed really nicely. Styling. Did you know, according to a recent survey by Home Staging Association UK and Ireland, out of the estate agent survey, 100% agreed that home staging makes it easier for buyers to visualize the property as their future home. 94% of the respondents stated that staging a property increases the number of viewings it receives. To read more on this summary report, please visit our website or our latest blog. You should always dress your interior of the house, remembering who your target market is. This can be done on the cheap by accessorizing and adding some nice inexpensive decor. Always keep in mind to use neutral colors. Do not use garish colors on the walls or ceilings. However, you can add a splash of color in your soft furnishings like your cushions or your curtains throughout to accessorize, making your property more appealing to potential buyers. You want to create a space that when a buyer walks in, they feel that they can imagine themselves living there in that space. They think of how their family would use it and would be looking for nurseries and children's rooms. Where would they eat? Is that table nicely dressed? Are they going to be able to have dinner together at that dinner table? Styling accordingly, but keeping it neutral as discussed, so that you can imagine themselves adding the finishing touches to make it their property and their home. The more inviting the home is, the higher the chance the sale of your property would be above asking price. So bear that in mind. Professional etiquette is when a buyer is looking to buy your house, leave the house for a while. Stand outside. Let them look around alone. Let the buyer's agent sell the house for you and allow your hard work and beautiful decor to speak for itself. Again, you want the potential buyer to get a genuine feel for what it would look like as their own home. They want to roam the halls and rooms and have the freedom to envision themselves living in that surroundings. Once there are offers on a table, you can take all of them into consideration and choose the one you would want that best is fitted to buying your home. Safe buyers are the best ones to choose to buy your home. Final thoughts. If you maintain these standards when marketing your properties, you be sure to maximize your profit margins and get the most out of your time, energy, and money and property. More and more digitalization means that we must adapt and grow with the changing times. So using social media along with other tips and especially sourcing an excellent estate agent, you will be on your way to selling your house in no time. Improve your clarity and focus on property investment and learn to implement your business strategies through our one-on-one mentorship program offer, available to you now. Feel free to remember that you can contact us, reach out for a free discovery call. You can contact us on our website and book yourself an appointment. Or you can reach out and comment on our social medias, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube or LinkedIn at 50 Savvy Women. We look forward to hearing your comments, your feedback. And again, if you need help, please feel free to reach out. See you next week.